Hello everyone, now let us discuss about various drug applications. First of all, coming to an FDA application is filed prior to human inspection and it goes through chemistry, manufacturing and quality assurance in great depth. Following information must be provided in the Investigational New Drug Application. IND is nothing but Investigational New Drug Application. Toxicology and pharmacology research in animals, clinical investigators and procedures, data about the manufacturing process. After submitting the IND, the sponsor must wait 30 days. Count down the day before the start of any clinical trial. The Food and Drug Administration has the authority to verify the IND for safety throughout this period to guarantee that it is secure. And the criteria for the content and form of an investigational new drug applications are laid forth in the section 312 of the 21 Code of Federal Regulations. This is important. Criteria for the content and form of an IND application are laid forth in section 312 of the 21 Code of Federal Regulation. If you wish to perform a clinical review, you need to submit a investigator new project application and fill out the drug application form in the sequence listed below. First of all, FDA Form 1571, Table of Contents, Statement of Intent and Investigation Strategy, Sponsor's Brochure, Protocols are a set of rules that govern how, data on chemistry, manufacturing and control, data in pharmacology and toxicology, previous people or human experience, and additional information. Now coming to NDA, which is nothing but new drug application. NDA or new drug application must be submitted in order to market a new medicine in the United States. An NDA contains all of the information provided in the investigational new drug INDA as well as the results of clinical trials showing safety and efficacy. FDA will bring the review process 60 days after the application, providing a non-disclosure agreement in NDA format and contents for a set of two. The application is divided into two sections, archival copy and review copy. The archival copy, it includes copies of tabulation and clinical trial case report form, and it acts as a reference source for FDA reviewers looking for details not included in the review copy. Review copy is nothing but each technical section is bound separately in each folder as a review copy. And each technical session should include the following: index, FDA Form 356H, a copy of FDA Form 356H, a duplicate of cover letter, authorization letters, and a copy of application summary is required. The FDA will meet with the sponsor at least twice, once at the conclusion of phase 2 clinical trials and again before a new drug application is filed, referred to as pre-NDA meeting. Analysis committee will look into it and study the findings and decide whether or not to accept the proposed application or proposal of the application. Coming to next type of application, that is nothing but ANDA, Abbreviated New Drug Application. ANDA is used for goods with the same or similar active components, dose type and strength, as well as same or similar administration and usage routes, as well as choosing a product that has been proved to be safe and dependable. When a product's patent expires and the firm wants to sell it in order to advertise its replica, this is true. And these drugs are known as generics, and they must meet the bio and pharmacological comparable standards. And Office of Drug Evaluation and Research of the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research receive an ANDA. And in the generics drugs category, it has been examined and approved. Next type of application is Supplemental New Drug Application, SNDA. After NDA or ANDA has been granted, if there are any substantial modifications in the conditions mentioned in the application, then they must be acknowledged by filing a new NDA or ANDA. And the CDER must approve a supplemental NDA or ANDA that includes some modifications like, for example, packaging or changes in the packaging or changes in the ingredients. Most probably, SNDA is applied for the category which contains new uses. Some medications can have innovative new uses. One type of medication can be useful as another type of medicament. In such cases, this category contains new uses, approvals of the previously approved medications which are better breakthrough than the previously approved drugs since they require fewer resources to examine. And whenever you apply an SNDA for the first time, approvals are required. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on regulatory affairs and ICH guidance.